What's up you guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a playlist on TikTok. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And once you are on TikTok, first make sure that your account is creator account or personal, because the ability of creating playlists has just that two accounts. To check that information, tap on three lines icon, tap settings and privacy, then go to manage account, and there you can see switch to, and if you see switch to personal or switch to business, it means that your account, my account, is currently creator. And also I can check that if I tap here on three lines, and there I got creator tools option, so my account is creator, and now I can create playlist right now just by tapping on that plus icon. Here I need to set a name of that playlist. I got one called test, and next I'll create test 2. After that I tap on next, and now I am able to add some videos here. It's very simple to do just like that, and now you see that videos from existing playlist you can't add to your new playlist like that. You see, nothing is gonna happen. So I need to add there some videos, and after I'm done I just tap on done, and now playlist was created. I can check all that videos, and now if I go to my profile page, here I see my two playlists, test and test 2, that was just created. I hope this video helped you out guys, so before you go please like and subscribe.